Professional Network is very unique to the other resources that are provided by Berkshire Hathaway because our generation is completely different. We like to connect on different levels. This gives us the opportunity to do this peer-to-peer.
Having a network of agents to speak with and lean on for support is critical to your success.
To know that you're not alone is probably the most important factor.
YPN gives me access to successful real estate agents and allows me to take from them and their best practices and incorporate that into my business.
YPN offers a lot of great things. Some of those benefits include meeting with other realtors that have been in the business for many years. These realtors have so much experience and they will push you as a new realtor to expand your horizon as you come into the business.
Getting to talk to the other newer agents is collaborative and it grows my experience exponentially.
It was very beneficial to me to be able to come into this business and have that support and camaraderie, and it really just kind of pushed me forward into becoming a team leader myself 5 years later.
The pillars of the Young Professionals Network is grow, inspire, and collaborate. It's just an opportunity for us to get together, have fun, and strengthen our business. I invite you to join your regional YPN network.